guys, good morning and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael, and then we have Ginger and Teddy. I don't know where he is, and this little thing here is my kitchen. This is where I make all my magic come through.
That's right.
And this morning I got up real hungry and I told Michael, what if we make, and I got my bacon. I put some bacon in the oven.
Bacon now, bacon now.
Here, Michael, so people can see that I did. Look at my dirty thing from the oven.
There's
for
Teddy.
my bacon. So you guys see that that's what I was doing. And today I am going to be making, well, not for you guys, for me. Be careful, Ginger. Let me throw a little bit of this oil out because it's too much. I'm going to be making some powdered sugar and syrup over a bacon omelet.
All right.
Because I love that a lot, okay? So I already put a little bit of pepper in my eggs, 2 eggs, scrambled them, okay?
That's right.
And then, hold on, before I put it in, Michael, what I want to do is take 2 pieces of this bacon and I'm going to chop them.
Chop it up, chop it up.
This is what I'm going to put in my omelet.
All right.
And this is how I like to, I know a lot of people probably don't do that. I've never heard of this that I'm going to be doing. But trust me, this is delicious. And maybe a lot of people that have the same problems that I do, this is a way that you can, put your sweet stuff that you like.
That's right.
Into recipes like this. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to scramble this egg.
Scramble down, scramble down.
See, make it into like a round torta, as you can see. Then I'm going to take a wooden spoon from here.
Yes.
Sorry about that, guys. And I got to drain out, you see, all that.
Drain
so when
it
I
up,
flip
drain
it,
it up.
I don't get burned.
That's right. You don't want to get burned.
Exactly.
Don't try this at home if you are not a professional cook or chef.
No. If you don't know how to cook, if you don't know how to use the stove, you never want to put a lot of oil because when you flip it, if the oil jumps when you flip it, that oil, you can get it on your face and burn yourself.
That's right.
So, you definitely, okay, 2 more seconds and then I'm going to flip it.
Flip it down, flip it down.
So I like it nice and brown on the other side, you know. And I really like it really nice and brown.
Watch the flip, everybody.
So, okay, so here we go.
Woo!
And you flip it on the other side. Now
That's right. Oh, look, Ginger got some. All right.
Yeah, she just got probably a little bit of a egg that went down there. Now I'm going to put my bacon that I chopped. And
That's
I'm
right.
Put it in there. And I'm going to take half of this. I know it's not all the way. And now I'm going to press it.
Press it down, press it down.
With one of these down.
Now, most people
And
would
I'm gonna
consider
lower-
that cooked, but we
Yeah.
like things crispy in our
I
house.
like it. Well, everybody has their own way of liking
Preference.
things. Exactly.
Yeah.
Their own preference. See, I don't like it like that. I like it all the way.
You're about to see, guys.
And now I'm just gonna, I want to try to flip it so it won't
Can you
break.
do it?
Mhm,
Yeah.
Of course I can.
Yes, you can.
And
Yes,
I'm gonna
you can.
press it against
All right.
my pan like that because I like it nice and brown.
That's right.
But what I like about, I love these eggs. I put enough salt and pepper so you season it to your own taste.
Yeah.
You know, and you don't want to put that much oil in the pan. That is vegetable oil. A lot of people like to use butter. I don't like it because the butter has like more fattening actually than the oil does. So this is done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in my plate here. I have everything ready.
All right.
So you guys can see. This is what it's going to look like.
Wow.
And then what I'm going to take pancake syrup.
All right.
That's the pan sizzling.
That's right.
And I'm gonna just put some pancake syrup like that, and then I'm gonna put some powdered sugar. And this is what your bacon omelet is gonna look like.
Powdered sugar
So this is
and
powdered
syrup
sugar and syrup
over a bacon omelet.
A bacon omelet. So you want to take some pictures of that?
Oh, yeah.
Because I want to cut a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
And I want to like eat it with my followers and the people that love to cook.
Oh yeah, look at
There
that.
you go. Let's see that. Let's
Look
see
at that. Is it? Look at that.
Yeah, that looks really nice. Go ahead.
Oh yeah.
You did?
One more.
Okay.
Perfect.
Let me
Perfect.
do this one like that, and then I'm gonna cut it and eat some, so my followers and the people that
Yeah,
like
just
to
so
cook
everybody
like
knows,
us,
we
they
don't
can
waste
see.
food on the channel.
No, and this is
we
like
don't
real.
throw anything
I do
out.
get to eat all my food all
Everything's
the time.
either given away
Yes.
or eaten. We give it to the front at the place that we live.
That's the office when he says the front.
Yeah.
Sometimes when I make a lot of cupcakes and cookies and stuff like that, they don't have a problem, and they're like, oh yeah, bring him. We'll eat him. Yeah, sometimes I get there with the tray, and it's just eaten within seconds. So as you can see,
That's right.
you see, I cut a little piece. Look at my bacon.
Oh, look at
And
that.
then what I'm gonna do is, you see, it has a little bit.
Smells really good.
Of that syrup, of course.
Moment of truth. How's it taste? How's it taste?
Delicious.
Yeah?
And with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget
Oh,
to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. You wanna have a little taste? Have a little taste here.
All right, let me get some.
On Instagram, on Twitter, like us on Facebook.
All right, that's good.
Look for us on Pinterest, on Tumblr, on Google Plus.
That's right.
I mean, we're everywhere. You can scroll below, and if you want to donate $1 or not, we have they go to Patreon down below. Click on it and donate $1 or not. It doesn't matter. We're still gonna cook. We're still gonna love you.
That's right.
We still enjoy the moments every time you guys tune in to our channels.
That's right.
And then if you have any little dogs, cats, we have a page that you can go to. It's lifesabundance.com/for all. That's my teddy bear. He needs a bath. Mama's gonna give him a bath today, right, Bud? Come here. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't drink and drive. Let's love each other. And thanks for watching.